Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test. We today are flight testing the Sonic model Skyhunter Racing Edition from our friends at Banggood.com. Now, we got this as a kit and I gave it to my friend Jason, fellow team member of Essential RC, who is behind the camera today. Jason, how you doing?
Yeah, not too bad, thanks, Dom.
So, was this very difficult to put together?
No, it took about 20 minutes, half an hour, I guess, to put it all together. It's pretty much plug and play. Everything's just hot glued into place, really. Obviously, no electronics were supplied with this kit, so
yes.
had to put some electronics into it.
From
Formax, George.
From our very good friend George at formax.co.uk.
That's it.
So those electronics perfectly complemented the kit sent to us by Banggood.com. You can buy it, I think, with the servos and the motor and the prop and everything, but we went with the kit version. Now, some features we should point out on this. It is meant for FPV, so the canopy is in two parts. So if you are flying it non-FPV, you would have it in that configuration, but what you can do is pop off that top bit, and there's a nice bit of wood ply on top of that foam, so you could stick your FPV camera and VTX on top. But we are flying it line of sight today. And what else? One thing Jason just told me, and I was laughing when he told me this, but it's a serious thing. For crash resistance, the wings, you can choose to have them held on magnetically. Now, we have put a Hot 4S setup in this. This is what George told us to put in this. He said to Jason, put this Hot 4S setup in it and it is going to scorch around the sky. I'm not sure I would rely on magnets to hold the wing on if we're flying it on 4S. Maybe if you're docile and you're flying it on 3S, then maybe do that. But obviously they do provide screws, Jason, so that you can screw it on properly. Yes?
Correct, yeah, that's right. And we've also we've gone a little bit bigger than the recommended motor as well.
A little?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit. I suspect you've gone a lot.
Yeah.
A lot bigger. Right, okay, so intro over. That took long enough. I'm going to hand it over to our tame racing driver, Jason, now, behind the camera, to fly it for the first time. Cut. Jason, are you ready?
I am, yes. Unfortunately, it's only the two of us, so I'm going to have to try and maiden flight it with by myself. So
yeah, I know. And my recommendation, if you are doing this with a friend, is not to launch it yourself on the maiden flight, because it's not trimmed out, right?
Correct. Yeah.
So if I'm with friends, I will always get someone else to hand launch it for me, because there's less risk of a disaster. But there's only the two of us. So, yeah. Jason, go for it.
Plenty of power, so we'll try just over half throttle.
Okay, good luck. Excellent. A little bit of a twist, but got it into the sky. Woo! Maybe give us a slow pass and show us the into wind. So nice and slow and fast as well. Good. So this is 3 channels, isn't it? It's so you got throttle, aileron and elevator.
Correct.
There's no rudder.
No rudder.
Why you don't really need it. It's lighter because of it, I guess. And it's a twin boom design, so it's just a simple thing. Inverted, okay?
Yeah.
Just holding in a bit of down.
A little bit of down.
And a nice setup from George. You've been flying. Oh God, it seems like you've been flying forever. I can tell because my arms are aching. Holding the camera. Nice, you don't have to fly it fast, even with this hot setup in it. It's,
One more circuit and we're coming to land.
land at my feet.
I will try. Apologies if I'm not...
Into wind, uphill, right? So
Yeah, it's pretty much coming uphill.
wind's going downhill, so land up. Look a bit high to me. Oh no, I'm zoomed in, that's why. Here we go. I'm not going to move. Nice! So verdict?
It's a great little plane. What more can you want from a little foamy, really? It's quick, it flies quite slow, it's really easy to throw, as we saw, you know.
Yeah, you can throw it yourself.
Yeah, you can chuck
I
it
thought
yourself.
that might be high risk actually, but
I
it looked
did as
pretty
well,
easy.
yeah, but actually the high risk at the moment is that sun blinding me every time I flew over to the left.
Yeah.
But no, obviously it's got more power than what it should have out the box, so you know, it is designed for 3 to 4 cells, but the motor, we've gone up a little bit on power just to give it that little bit more go. As an FPV racer, it would be great fun, I think. So,
Yeah. We'll have to do that. We'll have to get some micro FPV gear and
absolutely, yeah,
and do that for a
maybe
second
get a
video.
couple of them and, but yeah, it goes together in. I mean, you know, if you haven't built anything for a while, or you haven't built anything at all, it goes together in under an hour. So,
Yeah, and that's pretty. That's what Sonic model stuff is like. We've had a few of their wings, and they go together really quick.
Even the linkages are all preset to the right length. The control horns are already screwed into the control surfaces, so it's hot glue in the servos, hot glue in the sort of fuselage, the booms, if you like.
Yeah.
There's a nice little touch to hide the connector for your elevator servo there.
Oh yeah.
And off you go. And as you say, you've got that nice ability to just add in the FPV camera there. So yeah, if you want to go FPVing, it's ready to go, as they say.
We'll definitely give that a go next time.
Cool.
All right, thanks Jason.
Thank you very much.
Cheers. See you next time. Here we go. I'm not going to move. Nice!